Juan Menéndez. When I came from an orphan town, I was born in a small village, full of fields, full of lovely valleys. At the age of 17, 5 brothers and my man with me. We traveled far, we crossed the ocean. We didn't know what the hell we'd see. Asturias roots, keep on the struggle. Asturias roots, dogs, dogs. The mess of things together break. Instead of streets, the place to raise our kids. Here we are, in Beckney Hill, with no money, with no dreams. Only our fights, family and friends, take that pain away. Asturias New Age, we won't forget. This is our life, American regret. Asturian roots, keep on the struggle. Asturian roots, dogs, dogs. Keep on the struggle. Asturian roots.